So I keep seeing this question pop up a lot. How can I make my links clickable in my YouTube Shorts? And the answer is you can't. For some reason, YouTube a while back said we're going to make all the links in YouTube Shorts, just YouTube Shorts, unclickable. Now, if you go there, you may still see them, but there's nothing you can do that will make a user click on them and they go anywhere. Now, YouTube said it was to cut down on spam. That's what they said, and that's what we've got dealt with. So even though YouTube taketh away, they gave us one thing. You can now link to a related video. So if you're still creating YouTube Shorts and you want to use a clickable link, here are some ideas. So one idea is just link to another video on your channel. It does have its limitations. You can link to a YouTube video of any length. You can link to another short. You can link to a live stream. But whatever you link to has to be on your channel. So where before you could link to other things, off channels, other channels, off the site, now you can't. It's got to be to what they call a related video. What if the short doesn't have anything to do with that video? Well, my recommendation would be, one way is you could pick the video that's driving your most subscribers, link to it. You could do a video that's kinda has something to do with it, and therefore you just link to it. It's not the best solution, but it is a way to link to at least another video from that one short. Another idea is to create a special video. Now, this could be a video about your business or a product. I did this once when I launched the Video Resource Hub. When I did that, I had a long form video about my Video Resource Hub. Then I did a short on it, and what I did is, since I could only link to one related video, I linked back to the longer form video about that. So that's an idea. Whether you've got a business, a product, a course, or just another video, you can link back to that. Even if you haven't created that video, create that video and then link back to that. But let's say you've created something and you really don't want the whole World Wide Web to see it, maybe just a few people. Well, make it unlisted and link to that. Did you hear what I said? Yes, related links on shorts can actually link to an unlisted video. Now, the downside to that is if you want the whole World Wide Web to see it other than whoever watches that short, they won't, because to see an unlisted video, you have to have that link. But that is another idea. Create a video and unlist it and then link your short to that. And another idea, and it's probably not going to be a popular one, is just lean into long form video, which means don't focus on shorts. I'm not going to sit here and try and convince you whether you should or shouldn't. I'm just saying if you're really freaked out that you can't link from the shorts, lean into long form, because those links in our descriptions on long form still work. Now, if you need help with clickable links in your long form YouTube videos, check out the video on screen where I dive into that and show you exactly how to do it. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep creating because the world needs you.